Today, I'm going to put bees on Bobby and April. Ah ha ah ha 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 ha.
I didn't get any sleep, so I'm going to take a nap.
Me too. I played my violin sod long. What the? Ouch, 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 ouch.
Waya.
The door is locked now. Maybe Little Bill.
William Farnell Glover Jr. I can't believe you put beehives at your oldest son and daughter got hurt from the bees. You lock Bobby and April in their rooms.
Your oldest son and daughter are in the hospital for 3 weeks of surgery.
That's it, Little Bill. You are grounded for 2 months. You do extra chores around the house for the hospital bills. Now go into your room now.